What's going on, fam? This Chef Matthews coming to you. Today we gonna do some shrimp quesadillas with my tomato, avocado, cilantro, lime sauce. Here we go.
Quesadilla with an avocado, tomato, lime, cilantro dipping sauce.
All right, guys. First we're gonna chop up some shallots. We're gonna dice them up real nice, real fine. You guys can do how you want to do. This is culinary arts, not a science. Cook how you want to cook, but I'm dicing mine up real fine. All right, now we're gonna take some jalapenos. We're gonna slice the sides of them. All right, we're gonna take out that membrane too. You don't want that membrane, you don't want them seeds. That's hot as hell, so get rid of them. And once you dice them up, go and rinse them off. Make sure you get all the seeds away, unless you like it hot. I don't, not that hot. All right, we slice and dice up them jalapenos, nice and fine. Then put them to the side. All right, guys, we're gonna core that tomato out. Take the bottom off, slice them up, dice them up real nice. And we're gonna put those to the side. What's happening, babe? All right, guys, now we're gonna slice our avocados out. Just roll your knife with it. Take your knife, hit that nut, pull it out, peel them back. All right, and that's what you got. Sometimes your avocados are a little bit soft. Don't worry about it, guys. Still gonna taste the same. We slice those up and dice those up real nice. In order to maintain that color, that nice bright green, we're gonna hit it with some lime juice. All right, just so we can have that color. That color will stay and it won't turn brown on you. Trust me. Roll that around a little bit, put them to the side. All right, fam, we'll chop up some garlic as well. You can dice them how you want to. You can slice them, dice them, make them small, big as you want, however you guys like. Just make sure you put it in it. All right, now we're gonna take some fresh cilantro. You're gonna chop that up as well. Dice it up real fine. Sometimes I keep the stems depending on how I'm cooking, but on this particular recipe, we're not. We're gonna get rid of the stem.
What y'all want, hot, spicy?
All right, guys, they don't want the hot spicy, so they want the original. So we're gonna season up with some Creole Dust. All right, check it out. And Creole Dust lemon pepper. All right. Put a little cumin in it, give it that Mexican flavor. Squeeze some lime over there. Shrimp love lime and lemon. All right, let's toss it up, baby. Plenty of black pepper. Toss it up, you want to coat it. Get seasoned all over your shrimp. Now let it sit. All right, let's heat that pan up for 425, that olive oil. All right, we put our shallots, garlic, jalapenos. Season our vegetables with some Buttnaked, of course, and some lemon pepper. Hit a little more olive oil too. Pan looks a little dry. Red chili flake for some heat. Plenty of black pepper, baby. We don't want to brown them. We just want to kind of get them soft. All right, now let's add some shrimp to them. Once those veggies get soft, then we put our shrimp in. Put our seasoned shrimp in. All right. Now you don't want to cook them too long. You just want to kind of get them opaque, because when we put them in the quesadillas, they're going to cook some more. All right. Now we're going to make our marinade. The marinade you see is going to be tomatoes, avocado, cilantro, and plenty of lime juice. Right, we're gonna hit the shrimp with some cilantro too. Shrimp like cilantro. All right, now on the marinade, we're gonna do 2 parts of olive oil, and we're doing red wine vinegar. 1 part red wine vinegar, plenty of black pepper. Hit it with some Creole Dust, and we're gonna hit it with some lemon pepper. Put that to the side. Red chili flakes as well. And Mix that up real well. And we're gonna put it to the side. All right, let's check on these shrimp. What them shrimp doing? They getting there. They getting there. We're gonna cook them a little bit longer, maybe 2-3 more minutes. All right, fam, let's see if the shrimp done. See what they taste like. All right, shrimp's done. We cooked them for a total maybe 7 minutes. We're gonna take them off now. Let them rest. Now let's start them quesadillas. All right, fam, we're gonna start toasting those quesadillas up. We're gonna start with a little butter. Roll that around, get it nice and melted. Put your tortilla down. Going on, spread it, get that butter all over it. Flip it, get some more butter on it. All right, now we're gonna load it up with some cheese. I got the Mexican shredded cheese. You guys can use whatever you prefer. Hit it with the shrimp. All right, then we're gonna hit it with that avocado, tomato, cilantro, lime juice marinade. Then we're gonna top with some more cilantro. And hit it with some cheese, baby. Close it up. There it is. Flatten her out. And let's repeat the process. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. Let's go on, flip them up, see what we look like. Got a nice color, nice golden brown. That's what we want. A little more butter on there. We're gonna brown them up some more. Shake them, baby. Make sure they don't stick. Got some nice color to them. Let's take them off and let them rest. Looking good, y'all. Let's chop them up. We're gonna top them off with some of that tomato, avocado, cilantro, lime. Let's top them all, baby. That marinade is dynamite. I can't wait till you guys try this. What do y'all think, guys? Looking good? Hey, top them off with some lime juice for that pop. You know how I go. Let's eat. Look at that cheese pull. What? That's it, baby. Yummy. Everything but nugget.